This is our new Echo wireless brake control from Curt manufacturing. It works off the 7-way of your tow vehicle. Simply plugs into the 7-way. Your trailer plugs into the end of the unit. This is a complete proportional brake control. It's basically the same as our regular brake control, except it's wireless. Operates off Bluetooth. Simple download of an app either for an Apple product or for an Android product. There's a pin that's located, a serial number that's located inside the cap. Once you pair the two of them together, that's pretty well all you have to do. You can control your manual control for your brakes off of the app, but the app will load everything onto the brake control so that even if you lose your phone, the brake control will still work wirelessly. Lots of interest, fabulous product. You need to buy one today.